Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. I want to introduce the new waterproof 1.5 servo to you guys, and this one is the Coreless model. Okay, today I want to introduce a new 1.5 Coreless model to you guys, and this size is a Rhino size. So it's a little bit different from the SAVOX size and Rhino size, and this one is a smaller. And we decided to make it a Rhino size servo because the Rhino size for 1.5 is the most popular size for the 1.5. So this one is a SW-1240, and this will apply the IP67. So you can see here, the IP67, there is a waterproof label. And also we apply for the high voltage. So it can direct to S dipole, so it's 8.4 volt. And this one, it provides 70 kilogram at 8.4 volt and 0.015. This 1.5 waterproof servo will be coming soon at September. So if you are interested, please follow our Facebook and then you can contact with our distributor. Thank you.